Please stand and take your bow. In sixth position, number 8 from England, Candy Store, Caroline Gray School of Dance. In fifth position, number 4 from England, I Won't Say I'm in Love, Starlight Academy. In fourth place, number 7 from England, Moulin Rouge, Val Armstrong School of Performing Arts. Our bronze medal winners, receiving 89.6%. Number 2 from Iceland, the Von Trapp sisters, Dansskóli Birnu Bjorns. And, thank you, our silver medal winners with 90.3%, number 5 from England, Happy Days, Totnes School of Dance. Are they coming? Let's hear it for Happy Days. Congratulations, girls. And our gold medal winners receiving 95.3%. Number 1 from England, Still Holding My Hand, Genesis Performing Arts. Congratulations, guys. Beautiful work from all of you. And now our junior large group song and dance class 9 results. So in 6th, 5th and 4th, guys, we ask that you again just stand and take your bow, and 3rd, 2nd and 1st come to the front. Placing in 6th position, number 5 from Scotland, Leigh Mizagab McKechnie.